The result of mechanical up degree with regards to thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been sensational, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, has taken care of the reliable ascent popular of the financial backers. The computerized guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the remarkable elements of Sushiswap. Taking a gander at the steady upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value diagram of Sushiswap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered useful benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, however constructs trust. Sushiswap's portion-empowered accommodation as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost forecast, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap will be $4.41, with positive thinking posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now. In view of the Sushiswap gauge, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.37 for the time being. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might really depend on $447.36 in 2027. As per the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost gauge, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in good circumstances. Sushiswap value expectation 2022. In any case, since the SUSHI-USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, moderately keeping a low exchanging action may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are just added to the flow, weakening the stock. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are skeptical opinions winning that diminish additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap value forecast 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the vigorous help region presented by rich Chinese business people. Being discussed over and over, the costs of Sushiswap have shown dynamism and vacillation at the same time. Once more, thus taking the specialist's perspectives, Sushi value forecasts, and help from the possession, the resource cost might flood because of careful arranging technique, being vertically at $12 by 2023 in. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge, which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation figure for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of SUSHI-USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap value forecast 2025. Sushiswap specialized investigation and Sushiswap estimate likewise show markets will shock its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap value expectation 2026. While the significant improvements have affected the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in a positive course, the digital money market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the success of Sushiswap cryptographic money is colossal constancy on decentralized applications, at which the costs are simply subject to showcase development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn out in the year 2026. Subsequently, it is a right venture exhortation. As per the specialist's own examination, the Sushi yield arrived at 15% in 1 year. The need to get Sushi tokens to take part in the pool likewise stamped positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost expectation, the circling supply waits around 127,244,443 sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, opening the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity to. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi. They can in any case profit from the fractional procuring, receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary standards. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. Is Sushiswap a wise speculation in view of Sushiswap cost forecasts? And truly yes. As per essentials of unwavering quality and vigorous openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole cryptographic money world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will unquestionably stand firm feet on the ground, financial backers and brokers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Remarkable or touchy development according to the transient Sushiswap cost forecasts. Sushi coin cost might be a distortion, particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the majority of the digital forms of money have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. Be that as it may, the token has tremendous potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is subsiding, it would continuously be extraordinary information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the greatest cost. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be delighted in with Sushi. These prizes make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and merchants all over the planet get urged to put resources into the brilliant possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous coalitions, Sushiswap additionally extends its base with limited time measures. Client is ruler in Sushiswap's reality, and the marking programs present to clients prizes and money bonuses through rivalries as well. I can't move my Sushi to trade in time. What to do? With Sushiswap you are guaranteed of trade supporting the relocation of Sushi tokens. Thus no problem. You wouldn't experience any misfortunes. Sit tight for occasional relocations. Where to purchase Sushiswap or sell and store Sushi. As such, Sushi token is accessible on completely regarded crypto trades. As respects putting away, the source is upheld by decentralized wallets. For example, MetaMask and Wallet Connect are suggested. Wallets are the most effective ways to store as they straightforwardly get introduced in your program in practically no time and furthermore permit you the accommodation of exchanging easily and quick withdrawal as well as the exchange of assets into your record. Is the Sushi coin going up? According to the cost figures, the typical cost is supposed to reach $10.10 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $3.23. The market cap is $410,663,514.56 and a maximum supply of 250 million Sushi coins.